Hello everyone and welcome to Communicative English Lessons for Class 12. In my last video, we discussed how to organize an article, and you were also introduced to a few hints which you could use for an article on the advantages of Internet. Having discussed the advantages of Internet, we have also to discuss its disadvantages. So in this video, we shall discuss the demerits of Internet in general and social media in particular. The first part of this video consists an in-depth discussion on screen addiction, as it is one of the most important demerits of Internet, perhaps the most important demerit of Internet. Besides, there are a few previous year's question papers which carry questions to prepare write-ups on screen addiction. You may also be asked to write debate scripts on this topic. And later in this video, we will also discuss some other disadvantages or abuses of Internet. So let's move on. Screen addiction. While we write about screen addiction, we need a definition first. So how do we define screen addiction? Well, take a look. Screen addiction is the unhealthy, uncontrolled, excessive, and dysfunctional use of Internet, computer, or mobile phones. A screen addict spends a lot of time on insignificant online activities which causes social, personal, physical, and functional damages to him. And certainly, this is a psychological disorder which needs medical attention. Screen addiction is also known as Internet addiction disorder or problematic Internet use. Well, let's take a look at some instances or examples of screen addiction. 1. Cyber relationship addiction. What does it mean? It's a situation where a person is interested in his online relationships more than his offline friendships. He is not interested to go out of his room and meet his real-life friends. Instead, he keeps on chatting with his friends because he or she is obsessed with his virtual friends more than his real-life friends. So this is cyber relationship addiction. Another one, gaming addiction. Let me draw your attention to a news report which many newspapers carried on the 17th of November 2019. This is a news report about the death of a boy who died after a severe stroke, a massive stroke, which was caused due to continuous and constant gaming day and night. So this is one after effect of gaming addiction, playing online games continuously for hours. Excessive navigation is another instance of screen addiction. Suppose you are writing an article on a particular topic and you look up Internet for some data or information. You get numerous page suggestions on Internet, and you have to stop visiting pages the moment you get information you require. As soon as you get the information you require, you have to stop searching the Internet. If you move on or if you navigate from pages to pages, even after you have got the information you need, that is called excessive navigation, or which is in other terms, information overload. So this is another instance of Internet addiction or screen addiction. Yet another instance of screen addiction is cyber sexual addiction. This is a situation where an individual is in the habit of visiting pornographic websites or watching pornographic videos, which in turn leaves him disinterested in other everyday activities. This may also eventuate in relationship breakups. Compulsive shopping is another instance of screen addiction. In this, a person visits online shopping portals and purchases a lot of goods without realizing whether he or she actually is in the need of all those things that they are buying. Persons spend a lot of money on this online shopping. Well, now let's take a look at the effects or impacts of screen addiction on an individual. Screen addiction has physical, emotional, and social impacts on an individual. Well, for instance, poor academic and professional performance, relationship breakups, or deviation from personal goals, etc., are some impacts of screen addiction. Forming misconceptions is another very important effect of screen addiction. A screen addict, by the course of time, forms certain misconceptions or misunderstandings about, aesthetics, beauty, culture, politics, family life, sex, etc., and which gradually leaves him emotionally imbalanced. This may even result in political and communal tensions and riots and many other social issues. Sleeplessness, stress, depression, etc. are other impacts that may affect the emotional well-being of an individual. Eye strain, obesity, poor motor skills are some physical impacts that screen addiction has on an individual. So all these are the effects, or some of the effects of screen addiction. Now let's think of a couple of solutions. How we can stop ourselves from being a screen addict. Well, the most important measure is self-assessment. We have to evaluate ourselves whether we are using the gadgets for a particular purpose. If we understand that we are spending time on insignificant online activities, we have to stop that. Another one is digital detox. Digital detox is the process of detaching an individual from screens for a particular period of time, perhaps for a few days. So how can you do this? You may turn off your notifications, you may disable the alerts, or you may even keep your gadgets switched off for a particular period of time. And if you realize that you or another individual is not able to control his screen time, it is very important to take that individual to a counselor. Well, now let's see how we can organize these ideas into an article on screen addiction. Well, as you already know, there has to be a title. After the title, you have the introduction in which you may define screen addiction. Then you may also write about the relevance of this article on screen addiction, and you may also shed some light on the key points that you are about to discuss in the following paragraphs. Then you may write about the instances of screen addiction in a paragraph or two. And then you may move on to the effects of screen addiction. You may write about the effects of screen addiction or the impacts of screen addiction in another paragraph or two. And towards the end, you may also write another paragraph on the solutions. And certainly, you have to write a proper conclusion. So this can be a good organization of your article on screen addiction. If you organize your article in this manner, it will be coherent, logically sequenced, and readable. And remember to use discourse markers wherever it is necessary. And also use idioms, phrases, and good usages as you write your article. And remember, whatever I have given are just hints. It's your duty to read up on those areas and write your article. Now, let's move on to the second part of our discussion, where we are dealing with other disadvantages of internet. Well, the first one is anonymity. Anonymity is a blessing on one side and a curse on the other. Suppose you are chatting with a friend online. You are engaged in an online chatting. How much sure are you about the identity of the person you are chatting with? Well, we cannot say it for sure that the person on the other side is using his real name. So anonymity or fake identity is a major threat posed by internet. Suppose we come across certain contents or write-ups on internet, on some social media platforms. which are written by some anonymous persons. So anonymity is a real threat. Possibility of fake or false information is another issue. As we know, anyone can put up anything on internet. There is no censorship, no editing. For example, there are certain online encyclopedias which most of us rely on to gather information. The fact is that these online encyclopedias can be edited or distorted by any person to favor his personal or political interests. So those information which are available on these encyclopedias may be distorted, manipulated, or even outright lies. And the problem is that this information may even cause communal tensions or wars between nations. Privacy issues. Not just the photographs and other things you have put up on internet, but the stuff you have kept in your gadgets can also be accessed by a stranger if your devices are connected to internet. This may result in cheating, blackmailing, and other issues. Your carelessness for just a fraction of a second may lose you your money in your bank account. Data misuse. Data is really precious. How long you spend on internet, what kind of videos you watch, what do you post on your social media account, what do you search on internet, how much money you spend on shopping, online shopping, what are the goods you buy from online shopping portals. These are all very precious. Public relations agencies or image management groups are eager to use this data to manipulate or shape the viewpoints or the political stances of the citizens. Let's rewind. So what are the major disadvantages of internet? Primarily screen addiction. Then we have anonymity is yet another disadvantage of internet. Privacy issues, lack of censorship and editing, data misuse, etc. are some of the disadvantages or demerits of internet and social media. So you may try writing an article on the disadvantages of internet, and do write this article and get it checked by your friends or teachers. Let's wind up this session, and do remember that these are just hints. It's your duty to read up on these areas before you write your article. I'll be back with another video very soon. Take care. Goodbye.